Hello and welcome to the 100% programme. Before I start, I'd like to ask you 3 important questions. Are you looking for finance and funding for your project or programme or business? Yes, most companies are. Would you like access to expertise that's developed over a number of years, helping companies with the planning process that leads on to raising finance, and expertise that's a 100% record of success in their clients finding finance? It sounds good, doesn't it? And would you like access to that expertise for free? Yes, please. Well, that's what the 100% programme is all about. At IDA Consultants, we help lots and lots of companies in the biotech, pharma and medical technologies area plan the development of their technologies. So we look at regulatory strategy, we look at markets, we help define target indications, we help define programs of work such as the preclinical work, such as manufacturing and formulation, such as any clinical work that be required, and we help companies pull together regulatory documentation that are required to move their programs forward. And we help, and in the process of working with us, companies pull together a coherent and natural business plan. It's a story that starts with a history of where they've come from, where they've been, where they are now, and where they're going to. And these business plans help our clients raise finance. They go out, they speak to investors, to grant bodies, and they raise finance. And we're very proud that we have a 100% record. Every single client that we've worked with has raised significant funding to take them to the next stage, be that grant funding for early stage proof of concept work, or seed core funding for first in man and preclinical programs, or more advanced financing solutions such as licensing out to larger companies or attracting venture capital financing to capitalise on a portfolio of technologies. And we felt it'd be a good idea if we condensed as much of that knowledge and experience as possible into a programme that would help other companies in the area get on with planning and raising finance. And that's what we've done. You fill in the form down here and press submit, and you'll receive your first email. And the first email is a situation review. It's a guide through the steps of the situation review. Looks at all the things that you need to consider when reviewing your technology and where you are now. And it also provides guidance on pulling together a document log to make sure that you've got easy access to the documentation and evidence that you have as and when you need it. A few days later you'll receive the second email, and so on and so forth through the whole 12 email programme. Each email looks at a separate step of the planning process, and finally at the end of the programme you can pull it all together into a business plan. The emails contain template documents that you can download, resources so you can find information on the internet that you require, free resources that is, not paid for resources, and it provides guidance on the kinds of things that investors are looking for. And we know in the past we've done a lot of due diligence for investors where we've reviewed investment portfolios, so we know what they're looking for, we know the kinds of questions that they're going to ask, and we know the things that they're looking out for and the risks that they're looking for and looking to see managed. So sign up for the programme, fill in the form, press the submit button, and away you go. And if you have any questions, queries, or you'd like any assistance whatsoever, please feel free to get in touch. Drop me an email, Damien Bove. My contact details are included in the course materials as you go through, or obviously you can look at damienbove.com for a whole host of information. So yeah, fill in the form, submit, and good luck, and I'll look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much.